Hello, this is Margit from criminologyweb.com, and in this video I'll give a brief introduction to social learning theory, which is now often called social cognitive theory. Social cognition means, very simply said, thinking about social issues. Thinking about how to behave when you are in a situation with other people and thinking about what to do while you are interacting with other people. The idea of social cognitive theory, which was first proposed by the famous psychologist Albert Bandura, is that people learn aggressive behavior. So according to this idea, aggression is the result of learning. Now, people can learn aggression in two ways. First, people can start to try out aggressive behavior themselves. If they are rewarded for it, there is a good chance they'll do it again. If they're not rewarded for it, they might not do it again. So then they've learned whether aggression leads to a result that they like or not. Second, and very important in this approach, people may see other people behaving aggressively and imitate them. So they observe the behavior of other people, and if that behavior leads to something positive, that's how they learn it. In other words, if they see someone behaving aggressively and that person gets what he or she wants, they learn that aggression is effective. Now, there are many different people from whom one can learn behavior, including aggressive behavior. For example, people may learn aggression from the people around them, like parents or peers, but they can also learn aggression, for example, from TV or from a video game. Especially the behaviors that one learns as a child are important according to this idea. Children will store what they learn about aggression in their memory, and they will use that memory later on to guide their own behavior and to use it when they get into a conflict or a problem that they have to solve. In other words, if they have learned that aggression is a way of solving problems, they may resort to aggressive behavior when they get into conflict situations later on. So when children grow up in a violent environment, for example, they learn that violence and aggression are normal and that it is normal to use aggression when dealing with other people. This type of learned behavior can explain, for example, why children who were abused by their parents can sometimes behave aggressively themselves too, because they learned that behavior when they were young. For more fascinating criminology and criminal justice stuff, subscribe to this channel and turn on the alarm bell, or go to criminologyweb.com and find new posts there every week.